Welcome to today's portrait. I've got a fun new one for you today. This one also, you'll notice that there's some flashing going on in and out. Well, that's because we've got Alan's here in the studio with us, just helping us producing some really amazing action shots and photos. So we will tag him down below. And you have a photo studio?
Yes, Brom Studios, right in Midtown Sacramento. BromStudios.com. Go check it out. We had a great time today.
Yeah, and then also we'll show some other photos as well. So thanks for being here.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate it.
And if you are enjoying these videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also use the comment section to let me know what portraits you want to see in the future. But let's get into today's portrait. Let's go. Hope you enjoyed today's portrait. If you enjoyed it that much, hit the subscribe button down below and tap that little notifications bell so you get notified anytime I post a new portrait, a vlog, or we go live as well. Also, check out these videos as well.